Good morning. They say that life has only a few givens, death and taxes being two of them. The other given, I would say, is that you are going to lose business from year to year. Some of it's going to be your fault. Most of it's not going to be your fault. There's things that we know we need to do. We know we should work out. Do we? Maybe. For a time. We know we should eat better. Do we? Occasionally. Some of us do both of those things. That's great. They're driven. They're motivated by certain things. Some of us maybe got sick and you have to work out, or you have to eat better. Don't let that happen in terms of sales. Don't wait until you're going to lose a big account to start prospecting. This is something that you need to do on an ongoing basis. So today, let's talk about new business, because there's one thing, one component to the process that makes the difference. You've probably heard me say this a million times. I'll say it one more time. The fundamentals of sales. Make a high value, well-researched call to the right target market, applying a process with diligence. If you do those four things, I guarantee your sales success. It's like saying, if you eat better, your heart will be healthier. If you do more sit-ups, if you work on your core, you will be more flexible and stronger and feel better. Those things are givens. But the one thing that holds it all together is accountability. High value call to the right target market, applying a process with diligence, and if you can have something or someone hold you accountable to that, you will succeed. That's the one thing that you're going to need to add to any kind of upcoming New Year's resolution. If you don't have that, then your chances of success are somewhere between cauliflower and sit-ups. So think about that as your month goes on. Let's talk about new business this week. And I look forward to talking to you next week. Have a great selling week, everybody.